Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph coin holders? What's going on this time? As you can see, my friend, Hedera Hashgraph will get a profit 14.4%. My friend, the price is increased in last 7 days. Definitely, it's temporary fail. It's a very short pump, my friend, but this is unbelievable. A very huge bump, my friend, as you can see on the screen. So definitely, to after a fails, every coin will pump up. So therefore, I hope, my friends, in upcoming time, the Hedera Hashgraph price will also completely go to the moon and give you a very huge profit. But for that you will need, my friends, to hold and don't starting selling. Otherwise, my friends, they were very badly falls down. In those days all crypto market is uncomfortable and very badly falls down. But sometime, my friend, as you can see, Hedera has crop like that absolutely completely go to the moon. So therefore they will urgently starting moving upward after a huge dump, and I can't expect this to they will move up like a rocket. But this is absolutely, you can see here on the screen, everything is on the screen. So therefore I hope, my friends, to Hedera Hashgraph will take a more and more huge pump. But for that, my friends, you will need to hold and don't starting selling. Why you are starting selling? You will need, my friends, to hold it and wait for the end of month. I am 100% sure, my friends, to Hedera Hashgraph will make you a millionaire, will make you, and they will make you a millionaire. So please like a video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type informative and original updates videos about any coin of crypto. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.